Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends, viewers, and family members will be fine and good. May Allah bless you. Ameen. Always be happy in your life. Always keep smile and enjoy every moment of your life. So, dear friends, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Garden Crest. Lovely viewers. I'm very thankful to you for subscribing our channel. So guys, today I'm sharing with you most beautiful, decent and brilliant designs of garden lights. These articles are so beautiful, gorgeous, amazing and attractive. So dear friends, I hope you will like these ideas. Dear friends, 50 plus garden lighting ideas to make your plants shine. Enjoy the beauty of your landscaping even at night by adding a garden light. The most popular options for garden lights are spotlights, stake lights, or string lights, all of which can be solar or battery powered. Dear friends, when deciding on the best garden lighting options, consider your purpose. Are you looking for an ambient glow or seeking brighter light to increase visibility along pathways and water features? Dear friend, warm, soft light is great for giving gardens a glow, while larger, brighter bulbs are typically a better pick if you want to eliminate tripping or keep wandering feet out of your flowers beds. Dear friends, whether you have a large garden bed, vertical garden space, or container plants, get inspired these 50 different garden lighting ideas. Dear friends, make your garden glow with globe shaped lights. This spherical alternative to traditional stake lighting provides visual interest and works especially well in gravel gardens or a landscaping plan. Difference if you have no idea how to fascinate your garden with lights, so in this video you can see beautiful and creative ideas that you can enjoy these beautiful designs. Dear friends, trees growing in your garden can make a major statement with the help of string lights, tiny glowing bulbs covering the trunk and main branches outline the tree's shape while casting a glow on the garden. Dear friends, maybe you are searching amazing designs of garden lighting. So in this video you can see top stylish and wisdom designs of garden lights. These outdoor lighting ideas will inspire you to illuminate your space in style, from ambient boosting designs to practical solutions. Use these outdoor lighting ideas to enjoy your garden into the lights, illuminating features and creating magical outdoor spaces. So please subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive new and latest updates related to gardens. Please subscribe my channel and be connected with me. Never forget press the bell icon. So dear friends, after press the bell icon, you will receive new and latest updates related to gardens. You can tell me in comment section if you like these ideas. Your comment is very important for me and waiting your comments. See you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. May Allah bless you.